Hi, today in front of me Motorola Razr 2022 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So now we can see that the Google Discovery is activated, and if you want to turn off this option, we should hold for a while our home screen and click to Home Settings. Then we'll see here Swipe Access section, click here once and switch Google Feed to Nothing. Now just let's go back to the home screen and we can see that we just successfully disabled the Google Feed option. Just to turn it on again, just go to the home setting, click to Swipe Access and switch Nothing to Google Feed. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.